We've been doing cloud for security for 17 years now, and so it's changed a lot in that period of time. Some of the technology that we put together in order to make that happen was figuring out how to have a control panel or any other on-premise device communicate securely with the cloud. And most of the products that were available in 2002 weren't built to do that. They were all built on the assumption that they worked on a local area network and that there was privileged connectivity and privileged access between those devices. And of course, you don't have that between a premise and a cloud solution because of all of the stuff that's in between. And now, of course, whether you're talking about IoT at home or commercial security, people have figured out how to do what's called the call home function, and that's really the core thing that has made all of IoT and all of access control as a service and video as a service, it's made all of that possible. Your building and the IT equipment inside is only secure as you've built it. It's not secure because it's inside your building. It's secure if you've made that system secure. On the other hand, if you look at cloud providers, all of us live and die by cybersecurity. So we have to do it and we have to get it right or we're not going to be in business. So it really becomes an existential problem for all of us, and so we pay a lot more attention to it, which means we have a lot bigger staff dedication to that function. We do updates continuously, and that's not usually been the model for on-premise systems. And we build in features that are aimed at cyber detection and cyber prevention right in the product. So one example that Brivo does there is, in addition to all of the encryption and everything else that we do, we actually have bot detection and bot remedies built into our control panels so that they can tell if they're being hijacked by malware. And again, something that you don't see in on-premise systems because that wasn't thought necessary. My advice to integrators and installers is, first of all, learn how the cloud works. Learn what your customer base wants, because there's certainly a range of systems out there. I mean, if we look at one end of the range, there's residential systems that are also now being used in small businesses. But just as there was traditionally, having a system that works well at the enterprise level for much larger customers, millions of users, things like that, is a very different proposition. So understand which segment you're targeting and find the right vendor for that segment.